Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be sharing the birthday gift that I got for myself. I've been wanting this for a while, so if you would like to see what I got for myself, then just continue watching. Hello, my name is Seyi and this is the Daily Shade. On this channel, I share fashion styling videos, fashion hauls, along with some life and beauty tips. So if any of that is right up your alley, then please feel free to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and being a real one. So let's get right into it. So by the time this video goes live, my birthday would have been the following week. So my birthday is on June 8th and I am, I guess now, 31 years old. Woot, 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 woot. I am very much well into my 30s now, for the most part. And I'm feeling good, feeling great. I feel like, I kept my birthday very chill this year. I really was not in the mood to do much. And not out of any sad, depressed feeling. I just literally am in such a kind of zen mode right now where I just wanted to keep it very zen and chill and just enter into the new year with this feeling of contentment. And I feel pretty content right now. And so, yeah, I just wanted to embrace that feeling and move into the year. But I will never not buy myself a birthday gift. Never, ever. I'm always going to buy my birthday gift for myself. And fun fact, my second love language is gifts, receiving gifts. My number one is words of affirmation. But number two is receiving gifts. So what better way than to show myself some love than giving myself gifts on gifts on gifts on gifts. So this particular item, actually, let me just show y'all what it is. Let me show y'all. Yes, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Oh my God. Oh God. This shoe reminded me that I am a shoe girl. I know I've been in my handbag phase and just buying new bags, but this shoe reignited the fact that I am in fact a shoe girl. My love for shoes have been revived in terms that I will likely just be buying more shoes in the future and buying more I guess you would say more expensive shoes, because this was a pretty penny, but it's my birthday, so I was willing to spend the money. But real quick background on this shoe. So I spotted this shoe in February. Another creator, her name is Noriana. She posts on here on YouTube and she also posts on Instagram. She posted a screenshot or she shared an Instagram post of it, not from her, but from somebody else. Immediately saw it and I was just like, oh my God. Fast forward, that was back in February. Fast forward to March when I went to Vegas for my friend's birthday. We were doing a little shopping. That's where I bought my Fendi bag. We went into the Jimmy Choo store because I was like, can we go to Jimmy Choo, please? Just want to see if they have that shoe available. I just want to see, Go in the store. They have the shoe, but they do not have it in my size. They have it in my friend's Yvette's size, and she tries it on, and I'm obsessed with it on her. And I'm like, wow, I can't believe they don't have my size. The lady lets me try on a different version of the shoe. It was a white version, which was given very bridal. It was beautiful. For a bride, lovely. For me, not so much. But I just wanted to see what the shoe looked like. I was obsessed with it. I loved the way it looked on my foot. I was just absolutely, wow, I can't believe they don't have this other colorway in my size. Granted, was I realistically gonna buy it then? Probably not, because I had just spent 3 racks on the Fendi bag. So I was like, slow your roll, girl. You already did damage. You already did it. You cannot buy another thing. So it honestly, I was sad, but I wasn't that sad. But I was mainly sad because she was like, it's sold out everywhere. She was like, it's not on the site. It wasn't on any ancillary site. I don't even know if that's the proper word I'm supposed to be using, but it wasn't on any other like a Nordstrom or Neiman's or anything like that. It was just gone. And so I was a little heartbroken because I was just like, oh my God, this shoe is going to escape me and I'm never going to get it. Fast forward to May. I was doing something and then one day, just out of the blue, I was just like, let me just see if this shoe happens to be available. Mind you, between March and May, I was just randomly checking. It was never in stock anywhere. So I kind of gave up on it. I was just like, okay, I'll just get myself something else for my birthday, because I was thinking ahead. I was just like, I know I want to get myself a birthday gift. One day I just randomly, it was like 11:30 at night. I remember, because it was late, and I was like, it's late and I'm trying to do some shopping. I don't know why. Anyway, Google it, and I see it at Bergdorf's. And I was like, oh my God, what if they have my size? And y'all, they did. They had 2 sizes left. This is the size 40. They had 2 sizes left, and I sat there for a moment, and I was just like, I have to get this shoe right now. I was like, if I don't get it now, it could sell out. And I was like, I'm going to be devastated. I know, dramatic, first world problems. I know there's other things to worry about, but I was going to be devastated if I didn't get it. So I bit the bullet. I knew I was going to be spending a good amount of money on myself for my birthday. So it was just like, well, I mean, I wait now, or I do it now, or I wait till till June. But I'm like, I bought it. And I didn't open it until like 2 weeks after I got it. I just kept it underneath my bed. I don't know why. I was being very weirdly superstitious. I was just like, oh, I don't want to open it too soon before my birthday. Being dramatic. Anyway, after a while, I was just like, Shay, just open the damn box. But yeah, I opened it and I literally gasped. I gasped because it was even beautiful in person. I mean, again, I already saw it in person. I saw what it looked like, but just seeing it in my hands just had me like, are you for real? Are you for real? So yes, this is the birthday gift to myself, and like I said, this was a pretty penny. So this comes in like different styles. They have like a satin one, and then they have, like I said, they had another colorway. I think they recently came out with another colorway that's like pink and white almost. So it's very pretty. So let's just get into it. It's a pointed toe. As you can see, it has a gradient effect. It goes from this pretty fuchsia color into this orange, into this like lime green, and then it looks like the base of it, without the jewels, it has the lime green. It also kind of has like that sort of gradient effect to match the jewels. I mean, it's literally sparkling. It's sparkling. I can't deal. Then here is the strap of the shoe. It has like these orange stones on it, and then what I love is this little orange dangly detail. I think that color against the lime green, freaking fabulous, beautiful, obsessed with it. And then the strap of the shoe also has like this little dangly action going on. Now the shoe itself, like the strap itself, it's a hook strap, so I will say it's a little difficult to put on when you have longer nails. You know, for the slave, for the bad girl, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. I am obsessed. Like the height of this is giving me like 4 inches, 4.5, which I love a good height shoe, y'all. I love a good tall shoe. I wear heels, so 6 inches doesn't bother me personally. This is definitely not 6. I think this is maybe 4.5, maybe 5. It's giving 5. You know, it's a pointed toe, so it does give like some toe cleavage, which I also like. I feel like that's just a really nice, subtle, sexy moment. Not mad at it. I will say though, I feel like the shoe does run a little small. And I think that's for all the Jimmy Choo Saedas. I think they run a little small. This is a 40, which is technically a size 10. And I'm putting that in quotes because to me, I don't know, 40 usually fits like a 9, maybe a 9.5. I don't know why they say it's a 10, but every time I've tried a size, 40 shoe, to me it fits like a 9, and I feel like my foot has grown a little bit, so now I'm a 9.5. But to be honest, every person I've seen this shoe on, it looks the exact same, so maybe that's just how it's supposed to look. I will say, because it has this strap in the back, like your foot is secure, even if there's like a little bit of heel kind of hanging, putting that in quotes, it's not really, because the strap of the shoe is keeping you secure. And I am going to show 3 different ways that I would possibly style this particular shoe at the end of this video. So if you want to skip ahead, you can go ahead and do that. The shoe price total came out to $21.84. It's a pretty penny to spend on a shoe, y'all. It's a pretty penny. I have not spent that much money on a shoe ever. So this was, I guess, like, popping my little shoe, luxury shoe cherry. But I am obsessed with this shoe. I love it so much. Anyway, so if you kind of tell, the shoe, I usually put it, I'm looking at my viewfinder, but I usually put the shoe right there, right next to those Steve Maddens. Also, those are Steve Maddens that I'm loving at the moment. But yeah, put them right there. They just look so good. They just look so good. I literally go into the closet and just stare at them for a little bit. Like, it's like a child. It's like I'm checking up on a child, which, you know, I don't have any kids. So I guess these shoes are my babies. All my shoes and my bags are my babies. I'm like so careful with it because I'm like, I don't want it to fall or anything. But is this a thumbnail? Anyway, y'all, that is the birthday gift to myself. So yeah, if you would like to see now me actually style these shoes up in different ways I will style it, then that will be this next portion of the video. But I'm just gonna sign off right now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed me styling my birthday shoes.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion. Loving this devotion. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got